All right, we're going to start our next statistics lab. We are going to run a test on this fun little game called Rock, Paper, Scissors, Lizard, Spock. It's not just your typical rock, paper, scissors. So what happens is that the rock, paper, scissors ends in a tie so many times that this new version of it was come up so that you don't have the ties happening all the time. Rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. So you're going to get to play that. You can play either in groups of 2 or 3. And so what we're going to see is that if you and your peers are equally matched, your opponents, then you guys will win the game in equal proportion of times. So in other words, if you were to play against 2 other people, so if there were 3 of you, then you would expect to win a third of the time in the long run if you are equally matched. Okay, or pretty close to a third because of sampling variability. Now, of course, if you just play with one other person, then your null hypothesis would be 0.5. Okay, you expect to win 50% of the time. Okay, so now we're going to have this fun little video explanation of rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock, and where that came from. You can scan this with this QR code, and also you have got this visual of what beats what. Okay, scissors cuts paper, which covers rock, which crushes lizard, and the lizard poisons Spock, which smashes scissors. And the scissors, of course, decapitate the lizard. But the lizard eats the paper, but the paper disproves Spock. And Spock vaporizes the rock, which crushes the scissors, of course. So we're going to go ahead and watch our little rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock explanation. And so let's do that real quick. I had that pulled up and then I lost it. Rock, paper, scissors, lizards, Spock. And we'll go to our video. And here it is. Let's see. It is with the Big Bang Theory. Here's the video that I have.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, we got to watch an ad first.
94% of people believe company culture is important to an organization.
How about you decide this with rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock?
What the frig is that?
Rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock was created by internet pioneer Sam Cass as an improvement on the classic game Rock, Paper, Scissors. All hail Sam Cass. Hail.
How does it work?
Oh, it's very simple. Scissors cuts paper, paper covers rock. Rock crushes lizard, lizard poisons Spock. Spock smashes scissors, scissors decapitates lizard, lizard eats paper, paper disproves Spock, Spock vaporizes rock, and as it always has, rock crushes scissors.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Well, of course. Scissors cuts paper, paper covers rock. Rock crushes lizard, lizard poisons Spock. Spock smashes scissors, scissors decapitates lizard. Lizard eats paper, paper disproves Spock. Spock vaporizes rock, and as it always has, rock crushes scissors.
Almost got it. One more time?
Surely. Scissors cuts paper, paper covers rock.
Sheldon,
Rock
stop screwing with you.
All right, so
Is he?
there
Well,
is how we're going to do the rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. And actually, after listening to that several times, I almost have that speech memorized. But you're going to play. Here is a big chart for you to follow. Now, how many times do you have to play? Okay, so that's going to depend, of course, on how many players you are playing with. So if you are playing with 3 players, okay, then you've got this going on. Well, how do you get rid of that 1/3? Well, you're going to multiply both sides by 3. Okay, so n has to be greater than or equal to 30, and so on. And then you'll record your wins and your losses, and you're going to eventually, so put your names of your players here, eventually you are going to test the claim that you win a statistically significant more times than just chance alone or sampling variability. So we're going to see, do you win significantly more than just half or a third, whoever you're playing against, or is it just sampling variability? We want to know, are you a real statistically significant winner? Okay, so have fun playing rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock, and run a test to see if you are a winner.